In the unpredictable realm of driving, countless accidents occur due to nature's fury. A sudden gust of wind fells a massive tree, crashing onto an unsuspecting car, leaving its occupants in shock. Meanwhile, rain-soaked roads transform into treacherous slicks, causing vehicles to hydroplane and lose control. Cars skid and slide as drivers struggle to regain stability, illustrating how quickly the situation can turn dire. Each incident serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of being cautious behind the wheel. Nature can be both beautiful and dangerous, often without warning. Stay vigilant and prepared for the unexpected. Your safety depends on it.